Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what you'll learn in this course and how to make sure you get the absolute most out of it. This isn't just a course about building websites. It's about building a business around your web design skills. A business that supports your lifestyle, grows with you, and gives you the freedom to choose your projects, your clients, and your income. So what can you expect? First, we'll start with a solid foundation. You'll get a quick refresher on core design principles, the best tools for modern web design, and how to build websites that don't just look great, but actually work. If you're new to design, this section will give you confidence. If you've been doing it for years, consider it a power-up. Next, we'll move into one of the most important things most designers overlook: finding your niche. I'll guide you through choosing a target market that aligns with your interests and has real business potential. We'll talk positioning, branding, and standing out in a crowded space. Then we'll cover everything you need to run your business the right way: setting up your business legally, building a portfolio even if you don't have clients yet, choosing the right tools to manage projects, invoices, and communication. Think of this as your business-in-a-box setup. Once the foundation is in place, it's time to get clients. I'll teach you how to find them, pitch them, and close deals confidently. Whether it's through cold outreach, freelancing platforms, social media, or referrals, you'll learn multiple strategies to attract leads and convert them into paid work. But it doesn't stop there. We'll dive deep into your client process, how to run smooth discovery sessions, how to scope and price projects, how to manage revisions without headaches, and how to deliver work that gets your clients raving about you. And to make your business sustainable, I'll show you how to go beyond one-off projects. You'll learn how to sell monthly retainers, offer value-added services like SEO or hosting, and build recurring revenue that gives you financial stability. Finally, if you're dreaming bigger, we'll talk about scaling, hiring help, building systems, and even transitioning into a full-blown agency. Now, here's how to get the most out of this course. Watch actively, pause when needed, take notes, reflect on how each lesson applies to your business. Take your time. You don't have to rush through it. There's no prize for finishing fastest. This is about building something real. Apply what you learn. Each section comes with actionable tips you can implement right away. Try things out, experiment, adjust, keep going. Use this course like a roadmap. You'll come back to different sections at different stages. That's normal. What you need in week 1 won't be the same as what you need in month 6. So, are you ready to transform your design skills into a business you're proud of? Then let's keep going. Click Next, and I'll show you exactly why web design is still one of the most profitable and in-demand skills you can master today.